Good day, Mom. I'm Ryler Dominguez, and this is my report, special report in our subject, Forensic 6. So, this is the history, definition, components, and safety of firearms. So, number one is stages of development and early history. So, core idea is weapons involved from simple tools to complex firearms, driven by the discovery of gunpowder and the need for better range, power, and safety. So, i-summarize lang na ako ang evolution of weapons. So, from stones, to clubs, to knives, to spears, to darts, to slingshots, to bows and arrows, to crossbows, to guns, and lastly to missiles. And next is the timeline and key developments. So in the 10th century, ang gunpowder was invented in China. The first use ini is for fireworks. And later developed the Hokyang or fire lance na a bamboo tube that mutira ng projectiles using gunpowder. So, amoy ni an first ancestor nan tanan guns. So later in the 13th century, ang gunpowder knowledge is mean spread to Europe. So nga di inventoan first through firearms or mean appeal. By 1313, gunpowder is or was used as a propellant to push ng bullet. So sa 1400s, invent an matchlock used a burning wick to ignite powder. So easy to use but dangerous in wind or rain. So in the early 1500s, invent na saban wheel lock. Ga-work ini siya like a lighter. May iya spinning wheel made sparks og safer pero mahal or expensive. So in the 1600s, invento na saban flintlock. So ang flint mag-strike ng steel to create sparks. So this is simple, reliable, and used for this was used for over 200 years. So in the 17th century, ihimuan pepper box pistols. So may kuan ni siya multiple barrels rotated by hand. So kuan ni siya early repeating design. In the 1835, si Samuel Colt gi-perfect ang revolver with rotating cylinder. So amoy ni ang first practical multi-shot handgun. So in 1862, si Richard Gatling gi-invent ang Gatling gun. Kung ni siya, ang Gatling gun is hand crank o first rapid fire machine gun. So in the World War II era, and modern assault rifles develop powerful, accurate, and fully automatic. Gamater ini siya kay an each step made guns safer, faster, more accurate, and easy to carry. Next is the definition of firearm. So ang iyagad general definition is an instrument that propels a projectile using the expanding gas created by the burning gunpowder. So the explosion inside creates pressure na mag-push sa bullet out at high speeds. So ang explosion kuno na niton burning gunpowder is mag-create ng pressure para i-push itong bullet sa high speed. So sa Philippines or sa legal definition, RA 10591 is an firearm kuno is any handheld or portable weapon. Sample yon, small arm or light weapon. So designed kuno ni siya to fire a bullet, shot, or missile using combustion force. So ang firearm kuno is designed to fire a bullet sa legal definition ng RA 10591. Designed kuno siya to fire a bullet, shot, or missile using itong combustion force. So legally, the barrel, ang barrel, frame, or ang receiver alone is already considered a firearm, even if incomplete pa siya or broken. So, amo ni ang core parts na strictly regulated. So, this law covers everything from small pistols to rifles, ensuring all essential parts are controlled. So next is the major components and parts. So firearms are built from three main groups: frame, barrel, and action. So each part has a specific job. So first is the frame or the body. Amo ini gahawid ng parts all together. Gaak na kuan gibali siya, kung mo pa skeleton. So ang grip, next is ang grip. The part na imo hawidan sa semi-autos, pwede siya mag-store ng magazine inside. Next is ang trigger guard. So, curved protection around the trigger. So, yon sa trigger yan, may galaang kibali sa trigger, amo yun siya ang trigger guard. So, ga-prevent ini ng accidental firing when bumped. Para dili siya ma-fire din accidentally pag mabangga ka or ma-dusmog itong kuan trigger. Naman amo yung purpose ng trigger guard. So next is an magazine release. Button or lever that lets you drop the magazine quickly. Yan sa firearm yon, pisiton nimo tapos may pisiton para mo dabas ang magazine or ma-drop ang magazine. So next is an barrel or an path. The tube the bullet travels through. So amoy kuno ini ang tube. Itong barrel amoy ini ang tube na nga mo travel ang bullet. So longer barrel faster speed o better accuracy kuno if longer barrel. So, parts ng barrel is ang bore, itong smooth inner surface ng tube. Second is the rifling. So, spiral grooves cut inside kuno the barrel, itong spiral grooves para makaspin ang bullet. Yan hod sa top, yan maglunglang ang bullet. So, yan siya ang purpose is stability and precision. So next is ang chamber. So back end where the bullet sits before firing. So ngadto kuno ang bullet maghunong before firing. So chambering means a round is ready. Ang chambering kuno is, ang meaning ko ng chambering is ang round kuno is ready. Kami pagkakwana ngadto ga higda kibali sa chamber ang bullet before firing. So next is ang muzzle. Ang front opening where the bullet exits. Yon itong sa tube, itong buslot ng tube ngadto amo ito ang muzzle, itong gawasanan ng bullet. So next is ang slide or the moving top. Sa kanya siya semi-auto. So moves backward with recoil to eject empty shells and load new ones automatically. So ang slide lock holds the slide open after the last shot, so you know it's empty. So ang kunin mag hold ng slide open after the last shot para mahibaw ka kung wa nay bala. So next is ang sight. So front and rear notches on top used to aim correctly. Itong saytanan siya sa sa pusil. So next is the action or the mechanism. So all moving parts that the gun fire. So number one is trigger. So squeezing, it starts the whole process. Itong trigger ko no, pag imo siya squeeze, mag-start na whole process nga tumugaw sa bullet, mukha ng bullet. So next is the trigger bar. So connects trigger to internal parts. Move ini siya safely aside. So next is an firing pin or striker. Amoy ni an sharp pin that hits the primer on the bullet to ignite the powder. Amoy ni siya iton mo laong kibali siya sa bullet para mo ignite itong powder or itong gunpowder. Next is an extractor. Itong small hook that grabs the empty shell rim. And next is the ejector. Itong ga-push sa shell out sideways when the slide moves back. And next is the recoil spring. Itong ga-push, slide forward again after shot. So, next is the safety. Itong ga-lock ng trigger para dili siya accidental discharge. iton sa kilid, iton imo laungon amo iton safety para gahi siya lang para dili siya mo accidentally fire or discharge. So how it works. So pag i-pull nimo ang trigger, may go ang firing pin or ang firing pin mo igo. Ang firing pin mo igo sa primer. Tapos ang powder or gunpowder masunog or ma-burn. Tapos ang gas yan mo expand. Tapos ang bullet mo move. Tapos mo slide siya pa balik or slides move back or tapos an empty shell dayon ma-eject. Tapos pag man yun, ma-load na sa baan bago na bullet. Trongko, uno or how it works, pull trigger, ang firing pin mo igo sa primer, ang powder ma-burn, tapos ang gas mo expand, tapos ang bullet mo move, tapos slides move back, tapos ang empty shell ma-eject, tapos ma-load din itong new bullet. Next is the cartridge cycle. So number 1 is loading. So ang magazine i-push ang bullet up sa chamber. Number 2 is ang firing. Trigger release striker. Hit ang primer tapos pag i-trigger nimo siya ma-kuan ang striker tapos maigo ang primer, ang powder then ma-explode. So number 3 is extraction. So slide moves back. Ang extractor dayon i-pull an empty shell pagawas. So an ejection, number 4 ejection. An ejection i-kick iton shell out of the gun, iton sa kilid, iton i-kick niya an empty shell out of the gun. So number 5 is reload. So unspring, i-push and slide forward, tapos a new bullet dayon mo enter sa chamber. So an explanation is inina automatic cycle is what makes semi-automatics faster or easier to use than older designs. So next is the 4 golden rules of gun safety. So amo ni ang rules na prevent almost sa tanan accidents. So safety is your responsibility, dili kon sa pusil. Imo ang responsibilidad ng safety, dili kon sa pusil. So number 1 is i-treat and every gun if it is always loaded. So i-treat kuno nimo ang gun na always loaded. So ayaw pag-assume na empty, i-check ang chamber yourself every time you pick it up. So i-treat ko ang gun na always loaded, so og ayaw pag-assume na empty. Og always check the chamber yourself every time na imo siya puniton or hawidan. So number 2 is never let the muzzle point at anything you are not willing to destroy. So ayaw kuno pag itutok-tutok ang pusil or ang muzzle. Ayaw kuno tutok-tutok ang muzzle bisan hain na dili ka willing i-destroy or i-eliminate or ano ba. Kay always point the muzzle in a safe direction, up, down, or away from people. So number 3 is keep your finger off the trigger until sights are on target and you decide to shoot. So i-keep kuno off ang imo finger sa trigger until ang sights are on target or you have decided to shoot. So rest your finger straight along the frame until ready. Ito ilaang na siya. So number 4 is be sure of your target and what is behind it. Kay ang bullets mo pass through objects. So dapat hibaw ka na you might hit someone or something beyond your aim. So next is the classification and final recap. So i-recap lang nako is ang ito nga akong gikuan. So classification by barrel, and rifle bore kay spiral grooves inside, spin and bullet, tapos high accuracy, pistols o rifles. And smooth bore, oray grooves, shoot many pellets at once, pan shotguns. long range ang magkanat ang bullet or yan mga shrapnel. Pag tiro nimo maglang ang bala dili kon sa rifle bore na straight da. So i-recap na ko tro. Ang history is from fire lance, matchlock, flintlock, revolver, machine gun, and modern rifle. So, ang definition ng firearm is any device or core part that uses gas to fire a projectile. So, any device kuno or core part na mag-use ng gas para mag-project para mag-fire ng projectile. Ug itong three main parts, ang frame, barrel, ug action. So, ang frame is body and grip. Ang barrel is path and accuracy. Tapos ang action is an all moving parts. So number 4 is the key system. So ang rifling for stability. And the extractor and ejector for reloading. In safety, to 4 rules na follow always to avoid harm. Amo iton safety na ilang kay na i-follow mo iton 4 rules para maka-avoid ka ng harm. So if we understand how the firearms evolved or understanding how firearms evolved over time, so how each part works and strictly following safety rules is essential for responsible, legal, and safe use. So knowledge prevents accidents and ensure proper handling. So that would be all. Once again, good day, ma'am, and thank you.